How to fix Wi-Fi not available or no Wi-Fi networks found on Windows 11. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi not available or no Wi-Fi networks found on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have not turned on the airplane mode. So you just need to simply make sure that your airplane mode is turned off. And once you've done with it, now you just need to simply open up your control panel. Once you open up your control panel, you need to go with Network and Sharing Center. Under Network and Sharing Center, go with Change Adapter Settings, and here you will have your Wi-Fi option, right? So you just need to simply right click on it and make sure that you've enabled the Wi-Fi option. Once you enable the Wi-Fi, then you just need to simply go back and go with the next solution, which is right click on your Windows and go with Device Manager. Under Device Manager, you will have your network adapters. So enlarge your network adapters and then select the network adapter in which you're facing the problem. For example, I'll go with Microsoft Wi-Fi option. Right click on it and then go with the properties section. Under properties, you need to go with driver and then go with update driver. And once you've updated your driver, then your problem might be fixed. You can simply go with the search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. Or even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, you can go with uninstall device, and after uninstalling, your problem might be fixed. After uninstalling, you can just restart your device and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then you just need simply right click on your Windows and open up your settings. Now under settings here on the left side, you just need simply go with system. Under system, scroll down on the right side, go with troubleshoot and then go with other troubleshooters, and here you will have an option of network and internet, and on the right side you will have run. So you just need to simply run the troubleshoot for network and internet, and then you need to apply the changes or apply the fix. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then again, go with search and you need to search for services. Open up your services, and here you need to click on any service and then press W on your keyboard. And then you will find a WLAN AutoConfig. So you just need to simply right click on it and make sure to go with properties, and startup type should be automatic and then start the service. If it is already started, then you just need to simply go and restart the service. After restarting, you can go with the next one, which is WLAN AutoConfig. So do the same thing with this service also. Once done, you need to go with the next process, which is you need to reset your internet settings. So open up your control panel again, and here you need to go with internet options. Click on internet options, go with advanced, and here you will have restore advanced settings. Just click on restore and restore your advanced settings. Once you've restored, then your problem might be fixed. Even after restoring, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your network reset from your settings. So right click on your Windows and then go with the settings option. Now under settings here, you need to go with the left side and then you need to search for network reset. And here you will have your network reset. Just click on it and then you need to go with the right side, which has a reset now option, and then you need to reset your network. Once you reset your network, then your problem might be fixed. So these were the few fixes. You just need to simply restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.